Welcome to Santa Cooks, everyone. We're back.
Welcome back to Tuna Cooks. Thank you for subscribing and liking our previous video. So this is the next video in my series of appetizers the Tunisian way, and today we're doing how to make Tunisian break, the fried and the baked version. So our ingredients for the Tunisian break are Malsouka, which is a pastry sheet. I can show you how to make it in a next video. Some onions, some parsley, tuna, eggs, caper, olive oil to saute the onions, and some salt and pepper for flavors. And I will show you two format of Tunisian break, one fried and one in the oven. So in this video you will learn how to make the traditional Tunisian brika with eggs inside and the baked Tunisian brika. So how to make baked Tunisian brika and how to make a traditional fried Tunisian brika. First step on making our Tunisian break is sauteing the onions in some olive oil, and then we're gonna add the parsley. I'm gonna start by sauteing my onions until they are translucent. So my onions have sauteed for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the parsley now. Give it a stir and saute for about, let's say, a minute until you can feel that your parsley is half sauteed or half cooked. It still have the nice green, but it's not as raw as it is. And that's enough for me. You can cook it more if you want to, or you can leave it uncooked. Like some people will just leave the parsley raw. It's a choice. I'm gonna go ahead and mix my black pepper and salt on the stuffing, some black pepper on the tuna. My oil is heating for the frying process, so I'm gonna fold my Malsouka. All you need is just to fold the corners and try to make it as square as you can. And then I'm gonna fill it with some parsley, some capers, and lots of tuna. How long to cook it is gonna depend how you like your egg. Do you like it runny or do you like it well cooked? So this one is gonna be for Tarek and he likes it really runny. So I'm just gonna crack the egg inside, put the corners on top of the corners, slide it in the heated oil. Oh, my oil is not too hot, but it's hot enough because it's bubbling. But I should probably keep an eye on it. And you close the corner to make sure that the Malsouka stays together. Start covering the top with oil so it cooks evenly. And as I said, this one is going to be for Tarek, so he likes his egg really soft and not too cooked, so mine will take longer to cook. I usually don't go for the fried ones. I usually go for the break in the oven. So I'll show you how it looks in 2 seconds. So this is Tarek. I'm just gonna let it get to a golden point on the other side. I'm not gonna cover it anymore with oil because I want his to stay runny. Mine is gonna cook for longer to have that hard yolk inside. Mine didn't fold as nicely as T-Rex, but that's fine. We're gonna try to fix it in the cooking. I'm gonna get the T-Rex out. This is how it looks. I'm gonna set it on a paper towel to absorb the oil and probably cook mine a little longer to have it well cooked and to have a hard yolk. To the oven brick. They're called like nests, and all you need is to brush your brick pastry, the Malsouka, with some oil, like olive oils. That's what I'm using. You can also brush it with some butter. Some people will just use butter. I learned this through my friend Miriam. Hi Miriam, thank you for teaching me this recipe. So we're gonna do that for all our foils. Have your oven preheating at 375 Fahrenheit. And we're just gonna use the same ingredients for the regular brick filling. I'm gonna cheat on this one. I'm gonna add some cheese to it. Gonna give it some more flavor. You can also add some cottage cheese or ricottas. And the filling is actually suggestive. You can add any filling you'd like. The most famous and popular one in Tunis on making brick is the tuna one, and you can also make it with meat, fillet like beef. The Manzelt meme way is the way that we do it on my parents' hometown, my hometown, Manzelt meme. Hi to everybody from the Kaaba or from Manzelt meme. Is we cook the meat and we cook it until it's like really well cooked, and then we fillet it and in small pieces. And then we mix some parsley and onion to it, like the same mixture as this one, and that's our filling. So for the nest, we just need to cut our Malsouka into small slices. At this point, I'm gonna just detach them. And then what I'm doing is gonna take some strings and I'm gonna make a nest out of it. Like a bird nest. I'm gonna go ahead and combine all the ingredients together. All the caper. I'm gonna add some triangle cheese. It's gonna give it some texture, some chewiness. I usually cut my cheese before I start recording, but because I'm trying to go fast, Malik is at his piano class and I need to finish this part of the video before I can go pick him up. So once I'm done making the nest, I'm gonna put them in the oven, and he's only like 2 minutes away from home, and I'm gonna go pick him up from his piano lesson. We don't need to add any more spices because we've already added the black pepper and salt earlier to the stuffing, to the parsley and garlic. So those are my nests. I just filled them up with my stuffing. I don't know, like my battery cut when I was filming. I don't know where it stopped, but this is how it looks, and it's going to the oven now. Before oven and after my brick is baked in the oven. Into the oven for about 30 minutes and check until it's gold, and that means it's cooked. Hi guys, so my nests, brick, ashush are ready. I don't know if you can see them or not. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here we go.
Which one to choose? This or this?
Which one is your favorite, Mimi?
I'll take this one.
This one, the baked one. So he's his mom's son. I love the baked one. It's crunchy and it's healthier. It have less oil on it and as many nutritions and super crunchy.
That is super crunchy.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
How much do you like it?
I'm making in the crust. I don't know.
Should the people watching this video try it at home?
Yes, it should.
Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We appreciate that and it helps support us. Do you like brikas, Mel?
Yes.
I love them. They're Tunisian, they are yummy, and we're gonna have Daddy try one for us.
Me too.
Sure.
Just one piece.
Sure. The crunchy part?
Both.
Whoa.
I can't try the soft part. I'm gonna try the soft part.
So the secret is to have lemon juice on top of them like Cherok is doing.
I'm just gonna take one bite.
Is it runny? Yeah? Is the egg how you like it? Malik, how do you like it?
Good.
Go next to Daddy so they can see you.
Okay, yeah. But it's a little too hot.
Yeah, it's out of the fryer.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yes,
What,
and
you
the other
fried
secret
it?
is to
You fried
swallow
it?
the yolk. It's gonna fall down.
You fried it?
Yes, it's fried, Mama. Trying to get the right frame is not easy, guys. It's not.
It's really not easy.
Yeah, no. Are you making music?
Yes, yeah. Why? Let's get started on the basics. That's right now.
Right now?
Yes, right now.
Okay.